Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is just going to be an overview of yesterday. I ended up closing out a trade and I opened up another trade. That's all I really did. As you can see, this is yesterday before the market opened. I'm still holding that Tesla debit spread. I'm holding the covered call for Norwegian and the AMD 120 long call. So AMD had a nice gap up, so that's the position I'm looking to exit this morning, or yesterday morning. So as you can see, the market's now open, and everything gapped up. My Tesla call is doing better. Oh, my debit spread. Then I've been holding this AMD call for a little bit, probably 2 weeks. Or a week and a half. So that thing's moving up nicely. So I just want to get out of that today. Let's see, where do I exit it at? So I'm not bringing up the wrong chart. I bring up the chart for A, and I think it's AMD. Stupid me. What a rookie mistake. But whatever. Back to this. You gotta click sell to close up here. I put a limit order for 415. And I got filled right away at 418. I got filled at 418. I bought this December 8th at 355. And then I sold it December 14th. So that's 6 days later. I held on to it for 6 days for 418. So I made $63 off of this trade. So that's that. As of yesterday, I was up 180 on this Tesla debit spread. So I'll show you the other position I opened. So yesterday, I opened a credit spread, which is a put credit spread, which is it's a bullish strategy, just like the debit spread, but I received a credit off the bat. So these both expire on Friday, 12/18. Like I said, I showed you guys a chart for this. If this expires above 560, then I should get $237, I think, around there. Right now I'm still up 114, and Tesla dropped a lot today. Tesla dropped a lot. Well, it dropped yesterday. It dropped overnight, and then it ran up a little bit out of the bell, and then it continued to drop, and now it's coming back up. But even down here, I was still in the green. Like, I was still up like $60, I think, even down here. So that's that. Then yesterday I opened this Tesla put credit spread, which is basically you buy a put, and I bought a put that was in the money, and then I sold another put that was a little bit above that. So I bought the 590 and I sold the 610. So you go to put. Let's do this today. Tesla's 615. So I bought the 590. So I sold the 600. Let me see really quick. Again, I sold the 600. So up here I put you in a put credit spread. So right now, if you were to purchase this order, well, if you were to continue with this order, you would get a credit of $360. But let's see how this plays out right now. I got a credit of $290 yesterday. So go to the option profit calculator, puts in the current price, you click buy. Here's the puts on the right. Go down to 590. Click the mid-range. This is write or sell. 600. Click the mid-range. And there would be your net credit. You would receive $347. And in order to receive that by expiration, technically Friday by expiration, you would need to have above 666, but by Monday, I think it goes by Monday morning or something, the price has to be above 600. So is it worth it? I don't know. For me it was. It cost, you have to put up collateral of $1,000 because the collateral is going to be the difference between the strikes. So the difference between the strikes is $10 times 100. That's going to be $1,000. So you put up the collateral. If this expires in your favor, they give you the collateral back, and then you keep the net credit, which is $1,347 minus what you paid for it. I'm sorry, not $1,347. You get your $1,000 collateral back, so you're just letting them hold on to that. So your profit will be $347. So if we put in my exact numbers, I'll show you my exact payout for this. So I bought the 590 put for $11.60. I sold the 600 for $15.10. And those numbers are wrong. I'm putting in the price right now. The 600 cost $13.43. This is what I paid. And then the 590, my average was $10.53. $290 is what I received yesterday. And I need Tesla to stay above 600 by Monday. And I'll keep the 290. Every day that goes by, today's the 16th. So in order to be profitable today, I need Tesla to basically stay above 627. So I don't plan on closing this out. I'm negative on it right now, but I'm not too nervous. Like I said, let me go to my portfolio. Tesla's 615 right now, so you could see that I'm negative $73. And that's right about where it's at. So you got to go by the charts with these strategies. You can't really get nervous with theta when the price drops, because the veg is low on a spread. So theta and IV crush really aren't affected that much. I mean, they are to an extent. If it goes way down and comes back up, but basically, your profit is the difference between the strike prices. Same thing with this. Like, the profit's going to be 1,000 no matter what. If this expires Monday over 560, if Tesla's over 560, these expire. One cancels the other out. So I will get $1,000 minus what I paid for this, which is $763. So 1,000 minus 763. So 237 if this expires. So I need for both of my spreads to work out in my favor, I need Tesla to stay above 600 over the weekend. Then I would make 237 plus 290. That's 527 just this week. And then I made 63 on AMD. So it'd be like 590 for the week. I started with 3,200. There was my initial deposit. I'm at 4,375. That's just invested, I think. Then I have another 365 plus the thousands being held for collateral. So I think that I'm like well over 5,000. I think that's how it works. I don't think your buying power is molded into this number, but maybe it is. Yeah, so I think I just have to add the 1,000 collateral that I'm holding on to. I could close this position right now if I want. So I paid $290. I would get my 1,000 back, but I would have to buy this back for $360. For me to get my $1,000 collateral back, I'd have to buy this contract back at $355 minus what I got as a credit. That comes out to being I'm losing $62. So in order to break even, the market value of this has to go down to $290. If you guys get what I'm saying. Hopefully everything makes sense. But that's where I'm sitting as of today. I'm going to wait. I'm not going to get in any more positions as of right now for the week, I don't think, until I close these ones out. But next week, I'm probably going to do an iron condor spread on something. That's where you want the price to basically stay in a range. Don't go above or don't go below. Expire in a certain range. And then you benefit from the profits off that. So next week, I'll probably do a spread on that. But until then, maybe I'll make another video this week, just updating, especially on Friday with all this stuff. So I'll be back on Friday, but until then, hope you guys are staying in the profits. All right, see you in the next one.